Garrett has lost his crock. I'm gonna be able to catch it right there. He is way back upriver. I find a good spot to intercept it. This is good. All right. I see the shoe. Ready? We got it. The crock. Now I gotta go run like 4 miles back up the creek. Give him a shoe back. All right, I think we got our first trout on. Oh yes! Wait, is that a smallmouth or a trout? I thought small. All right, we got our first smallmouth, dudes. Hey, first one. No complaints here. That's pretty dope. Let's go catch some more. Fish on. Oh, hey, come throw beside me. His buddy's following him. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Throw over there. Okay, got another smallie. Nah, you threw right where he was. All right. Sorry, I was watching Garrett for a second trying to catch this guy's buddy. All right, second smallmouth to the trip. Not bad.
That's how the yellow one?
Garrett got a trout. Oh, that's a good trout.
Oh, you got the rock.
I did it. Oh my.
That thing was like 14 inches.
That was at least 14-inch trout.
Dang.
Oh my.
Dude, it happened right here too.
Dang. Bruh. Oh my gosh. Hit it at the boat.
Bro, it was right here. And I was like, oh, it's yellow.
Hold on. So I caught this little rock bass here.
I don't know what
A baby rock bass.
I don't even want to touch it.
Hold on. Let me get the video on that thing. All right, there's a little rock bass. And then he just caught. It's not as big as it looks on camera, I promise.
Oh.
Hey, there we go.
Thank you, because I was not touching
That's some weird stuff.
Oh, it's a trout. Let's go.
Oh, it's a trout.
Help, baby. You gotta help.
Ah! Why?
Dude, I did.
Every time. That's what I got here. Whoa. Another smallmouth. As a 10-pounder. All right. I think that's number 3 for today. Garrett just got done catching a spot. And we lost 2 trout so far, or 3. So we're on the hunt for the trout now. Let's go get some more. Got a big one on. Hold on. Oh, I tried to lip him, but he got teeth in his lip. I think. Here, hold him like you see the professionals do it. So.
Oh, I don't know how they be holding them.
All right. There's our rainbow for today.
Let me pop that puppy up. It's about 12.
12 inches, 12 inches. If you know what this fish is, please tell me. If you have no idea what it is. Let's go catch a real fish now. I got him. Oh, he's coming in hot. Oh, first trout for me today.
Jeez.
All right, let's get him off this stupid hook. Not this year. Oh, that's small. Bro. Smallmouth as big as my middle finger. Wow, that's lunker. All right, let's let this little feller go. Yeah, it's a trout.
Chill out. Hey, chill. There he goes.
There you go. Quick release.
Goodness.
Garrett, what are you thinking about your second rainbow?
I don't like him.
Well, let's go catch some smallmouth. He got a trout. Dang. You good? Dang. Bro, just hold.
he ain't dying, we all right.
Sorry, what's that good one? Bro, he's coming fast. Jeez. Oh. Oh. Dang. How do you catch trout? Hey.